Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I want to do a flip through of my pumpkin spice journal that I made as part of my Facebook group challenge for November. The Facebook group is Marcy Davis Junk Journals and Friends if you'd like to join us. The challenge does not have a specific deadline, so we've still got people working on them, but I want to show you what I've done. Before I do that, though, I want to run through real quick and tell you I use digitals in here from Vintage by Me and The Curious Wonderland. The Etsy shop links will be down below in the description. I also used Happy Mail that I received from Bonnie and Happy Mail that I received from Doris. Thank you both very much. I also used some ideas from Nikki Adigan. She is Musings by Nikki. I will link the video that I used for some of my learning down below as well. The video was posted by Carrie in the Facebook group, and it was ways to use coffee filters, which I thought was just spectacular. So, okay, on to my journal. This is my pumpkin spice journal. The theme this month was drinks that warm you. And so pumpkin spice was my drink that I chose. It's a 9x6 journal, one signature, totaling 68 pages front and back. So here on the cover, I've just got a wraparound closure on it. Partially because I forgot to put the closure on before I had everything sewn up. And then I've just got some burlap down here with some pumpkin spice drink, a latte, cappuccino, whatever coffee drink it is. And then I've got some cinnamon sticks here. And then I've got this little dangle on my tie closure that came from Doris. So then we open up. And here's a digital image. And I attached some coffee lace ruffle to it. And this is one of the jelly plate prints that I'd done that were such a failure. I just scanned it and copied it onto the back of the digital page. And then I did a little stamping here. Here we've got some scrapbook paper. Here we've got a pocket, says, "Hey there, pumpkin." And this is some of the Distress Oxide and embossing that I'd done, along with some other fabrics. And I've got this mason jar in here, and this little tag. And I know both of these, neither of these, not everything has to do with pumpkins in here. I went with kind of a fall theme when I started running out of pumpkins. So here I've got some coffee dyed paper and just these pumpkins, actually off some pumpkin spice, a box that had pumpkin spice coffee in it. Washi tape from Doris, some writing paper. Here I used some coffee dyed tracing paper just to give some crinkle. Again, a little lace from Doris. Another digital page. Here's a ribbon flower that's the same as what's on the cover. More digital. This is some more of my, I don't remember if that was oxide inks. That may have been a extra oxide ink page. I can't remember. A little more washi tape. Here we've got some more pumpkin spice coffee. Here I left lots of writing space in here. So just a little embellishing there. This page, obviously some ledger paper, and I've got music paper on the other side, but I didn't like what was on the other side of the music paper, so I just turned this into a full page pocket. Here we've got a coffee filter belly band and a journal card. And in here, I just put a simple long tag just to show more than anything that something could slide down in there. And then I embellished it using a little bit of the fabric from Darice and some trading stamps and this little pumpkin from Bonnie. More digital paper, paper, and a little journaling card that I made, just held in with a Tim Holtz paper clip, dictionary page, more digital. Here's a little bit of fabric from Darice that I just attached to the edge. This paper is kind of interesting. This was some red onion dyeing that I had done. So I just stamped a little image there. And here's a little coffee filter corner tuck, just with a couple of little journaling cards. This one is from Darice. This one is just one that I made. More writing paper. Here we've got some coffee dyed paper and just a little card stapled on there just to add a little something, but it could be used as a little tuck space. More pumpkins. Here we've got some more scrapbook paper. And here this, again, I think that is oxide print. And I just added some mushrooms there since the scrapbook paper had mushrooms on it. And on the inside here we have some more pumpkin spice with cinnamon. Oh, did I mention I added cinnamon sticks to the front of my cover? Sorry. I don't remember if I mentioned that or not. Makes the journal smell real good. Then here, and I just added some little die cuts here. A little more coffee filter paper ribbon. Scrapbook paper. The other side of the digital. Here, this pumpkin spice that I cut out again out of a pumpkin spice coffee box. Just stamped a little pumpkin here. Another little corner tuck with a journal card in it. And I layered up some fabric and a leaf and one of my flowers from that ribbon and just made a little pumpkin spice to-go cup. And a little washi tape here. So you can see there's lots of room for your own, for embellishing, writing, whatever you want to do. Here I used one of the tickets that Bonnie sent to me, and I sprayed it, and then I went over it with some paste wax paste, and just highlighted the ticket underneath, and then just added a little die cut on top of that. More digital paper, the other side of the dictionary page. Another little flower from my ribbon. Here we have the pumpkin farm. Here I just made a simple double pocket with a couple of little journaling cards in it. And here we're to the other side of the music paper, and I did the same thing. I just made a full-size pocket out of that with the ledger paper on the other side. Here I used some more fabric just to give the paper just something a little bit pretty. And here we have another little tuck spot or just decoration on this space that could be used as writing space. Got some more pumpkin spice here. Another journal card that with the squirrel says sweater weather. And more pumpkins with writing space. And we've got the other side of our crinkly paper. with some orange trim, more lined paper for writing. Just another little embellishment. I wanted to leave the page pretty blank, but just add a little embellishing to it. And a pocket with a cup, little tag that says Cozy Blankets with a bow on it, a little journaling card here, and a very simple tag here. And then here at the last, I just stamped a little coffee cup and wrote pumpkin spice and all things nice. Well, stamped it, I'm sorry. And the last page. So that is my pumpkin spice journal. I had a lot of fun making this. Pumpkin spice was harder than I thought it would. Well, not that I thought it would be. Orange is a difficult color for me to work with, but I had fun doing this, and I don't know. That's all I can really say is I had a lot of fun doing this. I really like my little cinnamon sticks on the front. So come on out and join us at in the Facebook group, Marcy Davis Junk Journals and Friends. The link will be down below, and I'd love to see what you all make. So until next time, I wish you all a wonderfully happy, crafty day, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye-bye.